In an unfortunate accident, one person lost his life while another person received grievous injuries after one speeding truck bearing registration number AS01MC8136 rammed into one Maruti Eco and one auto rickshaw while they were in the car wash center along the National Highway 6 at Bahamrio village in Bhoi district. The driver of the Maruti Eco, who succumbed on the spot, was identified as Anshu Kumar, 20 years, while the driver of the auto rickshaw received grievous injuries and was rushed to Nongpo Civil Hospital.
Dewan ketrok dan ke ato nane nadien gawe ke morti ke igo ke yang amat dewan ketrok ke setundra abet bagi yang bagi sal ato ke gibriung isusim nimpecu ya kata eta ba accident isusim ya briung isura abe cha hospital nimpecu ke ayo driver ni phabat ban rek kimna kemiyor baniabat.
And now for the